So today it's going to be a rather relaxed day, rather chill day in the historic city centre, and we are going to see some key elements of the city such as Dublin Castle and two great cathedrals. So that's going to be a good day. It looks like it's about to rain, but the weather forecast says that it shouldn't be raining today, but it should be raining tomorrow and the day after. But I don't really trust that sky. It's currently 8:45 and I haven't had coffee yet though, so I might try to find a place somewhere to have coffee. So before I go more towards the south part of the city, there are a few things that I want to see not too far from the hotel, so I'm going to see them first. Thank you.
Thank you, enjoy.
Thanks. A little ice latte. And this is called the Spire. I don't know if you've heard about the portal that we put between New York and Dublin. The portal is a sleep backup at 1 p.m. Okay. On the other side there's just this Dublin portal, bridge to a united planet. Portal exists in countries around the world to invite us to meet above borders and differences. And so that's on the left, and on the right it's the same thing in Irish, Gaelic. It's not super impressive, like it's not huge or anything, it's just a round screen basically, but what's more impressive though is that thing, the spire. It's really tall. Oh, I have information of it in French. Colonne effilée en acier de 120 mètres de haut, connue pour être le symbole de la ville. To Charles Stewart Parnell, the Ambassador Theatre, Dublin. Parnell Square and Garden of Remembrance. Very nice. Very nice. It's in the form of a cross, as you may see. What I had written about the Garden of Remembrance. Formal garden remembering all those who gave their lives in the cause of Irish freedom. It is 9:40 right now. Alright, so I'm going to leave there and go towards the south, back towards the south. I'm here again at the spire. Crossing the river. That's O'Connell Bridge. So the statue of Molly Malone. Bronze statue of a fictional fishmonger named Molly Malone, or Molly Malone, the star of a well-known Irish song. Alright, it's 10:30, so I've just seen the statue of Molly Malone. I think it's Malone, actually, not Malone. So I'm happy with that. So the next stop is Dublin Castle. I've already bought tickets online for 11 a.m. so we'll be right on time. Right, so I'm here at this gate, and that's the rest of the castle. That's the ticket office. Dublin Castle, Historic site dating from 1204, constructed on the site of a Viking settlement, with 2 museums, cafes and gardens, plus staterooms and a library. Alright, so I visited inside, which was really nice. I asked them, and it's not possible to visit the tower because it's under renovation. It was supposed to be done for February of this year, but it's not done yet, and we don't know when it will be done. It's supposed to be next year. So what I've just visited was the staterooms, but it's supposed to have cafes and gardens, so I need to walk around to try to find it. I think I actually need to go back to the main entrance in order to find the gardens and the cafes. Let's go back there. Right, so that's this tower that's still under renovation and not possible to visit it at the moment. Look at this lovely house. Okay, gardens. Dublin Gardens. Nice. You can actually smell the fresh grass. That's nice. You know you can fly away, right? Are you visiting too? Sacred Tradition Gallery. Alright, so I'm done with this museum, the castle right there. Right, so I'm done at the castle and now I have the 2 cathedrals to visit. It's 2 p.m. and I still didn't find a place to have lunch, or a place which is not too expensive, so I need to find lunch somewhere. Ooh, fish and chips. So this one is the Christchurch Cathedral. All of the places around here, like the cafes and stuff, are just way too expensive. Even the fish and chips shop was just too expensive. So I think what's going to happen is that I'm not going to eat lunch. The Christchurch Cathedral, Dublin's oldest cathedral, began life as a small church founded by Dunan, the first bishop of Dublin, with funds from the North King of Dublin, Sitriuk. A lot of construction work happening. Who is that? Not sure. Okay, so I had not realized that the 2 cathedrals are not free. So this one is 11.50 and the St. Patrick's Cathedral is €9. So I'm not going to visit this one, I will visit the other one, St. Patrick's Cathedral. And yeah, I have seen a lot of churches and cathedrals in my life. I don't really want to pay that much for it. So I'm going to go to the St. Patrick's Cathedral. I found a sandwich and it has cheddar in it. St. Patrick's Park. Ideal to have the sandwich. Oh, nice. That's St. Patrick's Church right there. Lovely view. That's gonna be perfect spot for a sandwich. And I have some liqueur too. Yeah, that's only for to try the local cuisine. I had tried it years ago too. And it's not the best, but it might not be the best, but it's basically local cuisine, so yeah. And I also saw some bottles of Iron Brew, but I had enough for today, so I'll try Iron Brew another time. I do remember trying it when I was a teenager and that it was disgusting, but again, it's local cuisine, so I'm just trying the local food. And by the way, I can confirm that everything is like super expensive. So this sandwich was $4.80. That's a lot for just a tiny, super simple sandwich. And yeah, in a lot of places I can see like salads for like €10, and like basically below €10 you have either a small dish like a starter or a side dish or a salad. And yeah, it's super expensive. That's not within my budget. So it seems to match the prices I had seen for like hotels and stuff, which is why I'm in a backpacker hotel. Anyway, time for food now. It's 2:50, so it's time for lunch. So you're gonna say I'm weird, but like this simple sandwich with ham and cheddar, it's just absolute heaven right now. I don't know if it's for the memories it brings or what, but alright, the Lucozade is done. Not too bad, honestly. I had worse memories than that, so yeah. Okay, time to visit the church now. So St. Patrick's Cathedral, the Church of Ireland's national cathedral, dating from 1220 with regular musical recitals. Exit. Alright, that was really nice. Obviously I can't really compare with the other cathedral because I just wanted to do this one. But yeah, I don't think it's really necessary, especially if you've seen other great cathedrals before. Alright, goodbye cathedral. Actually, not completely goodbye because look at the great view. So now I'm going. Nice view from up here. Alright, I'm exhausted. I'm going back to the hotel now. I think I have taken just too much crap to carry like during the day, and the bag that's just too big. So now I'm carrying just too many things. I should have just taken the camera, my wallet, and that's it.